Hi everyone, Thelma here of Seasonal Crafts and Creations. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today I have for you a medium-sized Dollar Tree haul, and first I want to take a moment to remind y'all that I have two contests going on, and I'll link a little bit of it down in the description. And you can always go to my channel and look at the two small videos that I have going on that I made for you to see what each contest, everything that you'll be getting. And I explain how to enter and how I'll pick the winner. And if you have any questions about the giveaways or any question at all or comment, just drop me a comment down below. And don't forget, if you like today's video, click that like button. It really helps my channel grow. Share the video so it'll get more out there for viewers. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and select all. That way you won't miss any of my future videos, and you'll be entered into the two giveaways that I have going on right now. And be sure to leave a comment. Let me know that you entered into the contest. Alright, well, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Let's see. First, I want to show you these little village accessories. They're little, looks like a tree person and a snowman. I'm going to go back and get a few other ones. I have some from my other village. I'm going to go through them first and see what accessories and like snowman, deer, trees, and stuff that I have. And I'm going to be making a decorate my mantle with me video, so be on the lookout for it. That'll be within the next week. And these houses and the trees that I showed you in one of my previous hauls are going to be included in on that decorating my mantle. Okay, I got this little house here. I thought it was cute. And you have to get some batteries. And I'm trying to see if I can open this. But anyway, you have to get a light and some batteries and put in it. There's that one. But drop me a comment. Let me know how y'all are doing. I'd like to hear from y'all. And then there's this one with the little, I call it candy cane, going up on each side of the door. Real cute house. And you can see this one better. All you have to do is get like some of them LED lights and put it in there. And then when you want it lit, just raise up the house and flip on or off. I like that better than batteries or the plug-in. And then there's this little, I think it's a barn. I can't see right now because of my cataracts, but I'll bring it real close up so you could see. It might be a cafe. I'm not for sure. But I'll be able to see on the 4th after I have my surgery in my right eye. And then I think it's the 18th of December on my left eye. And I'll be able to see the houses and know what's what. But there's this one. I mean, it's blurry. I can make it out as long as it's up close. And I've seen these houses before, so I know they're real pretty and cute. Then there's this one, and there's a few other ones too I might go up and get. And the last one is a church. Now, I do know they have another church up there for this little village. And they are plastic, so, and they're real light. And then, let's see, I got these pack of stickers. They're little gnomes. I'm putting that up for my journaling, and I'm going to be listing my journals, my Christmas and winter ones, one day next week. Well, after I have my first eye surgery, so I can see to list it, and I'll make a video for you all on that one too. And I got these wash towel cloths. There's 5 in them. Now this one is $3, and this one has poinsettias and stuff on it. There's some. Each towel has a print on it. Like this one has snowman, and then there's this one, ho ho ho. But they're all embroidered with something decorated. Like these are all trees going around it. And I went ahead and got one. These are all the 3 different kinds that I seen. Okay, now I did get this hot cocoa bar. I'm going to be decorating a small area of my counter. And let me know if you want to see a DIY of me doing that down in the comments. That way I'll know while I'm decorating the countertop and my mantle. Let me know, and I'll make a video of it. It won't be a long one, and let y'all see what I'm doing. I'm just right now getting some. It's easier on my shoulder to go ahead and get the stuff out and sit it up here. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and show you these colors. These are Crayola. These are the pencils, I should say. You get 12 of them, and then this one I think is 24. And I couldn't find any markers. I like coloring my pages in with markers too. And there's 64 here. And I got 4 of these picture frames, and I'm going to make something with that. That wasn't supposed to be in there. That was something else. But anyway, I got 4 of them. And I did get a big thing of these, I can't tell how many's in it, but it's the large cotton ball, pom-pom balls, cotton balls. Anyway, I bought this last year, and I was lucky and found it again this year, coloring book. And then there's this one, known for the holidays. Nutcracker ones. The Peanuts. I love the Peanuts. Now they have the Grinch and some more Peanuts and other cartoon characters, but I can't remember all of them. Here's a little reindeer. Here's Gingerbread House. I'm just going to sit that right there. And the last few items. Now these are not Christmas, they're fall. But what I'm going to do with them, they're these little things here. I got them, they come in all colors. The colors doesn't matter because I'm going to sand them down, paint them, and decorate them up for Christmas. So I thought that was a nice, cute little idea that I'll be able to do. I got some of this contact paper, and I picked out this pattern because I've used it in the past, and it looks real good for the holidays. And the last few items that I have some wall signs. I got this something about Gnome for the holidays. I got this ornament, Gnome for the holidays. And another one, I can't make that out, it's too shiny. And then I got this one that says welcome, the gnome with the wreath. This one, the gnome is holding a present that says Merry Christmas. And then there's this one that says Merry Christmas. The difference is the hat. And the last item is I'll be known for Christmas. Alright, I want to thank y'all for stopping by and checking out my channel. Again, if you liked it, please click that like button. It really helps my channel grow. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And leave a comment. So, thank y'all. Hugs and kisses from Kentucky. Bye.